Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration. As you all know, manual input is a great feature in FortiSOAR that allows human decision making to influence the orchestration and its routes, right? It could be in the form of an approval based workflow or an orchestration. It could be an input that analyst wants to give that influences the way the orchestration is led, the response is handled. It could be a survey. It could be a lot of things that are provided through the system. It could come in from an email that the user responds to, and there could be a lot of use cases. In this particular demonstration, we will look at a use case where such a collaboration happens over an Microsoft Teams uh, channel. Okay, so very quickly, let's go and first create a Teams channel here. So we go to notification channels, let's say add, and let's build a channel. We'll call it, let's say, a Teams notification channel. And we will continue to supply the configuration of the Microsoft Teams connector that is already configured here. In this case, we will use the one of the actions that allows you to send a chat message, which is available, and we simply say, okay, that's our definition of the new notification channel. As simple as that, right? So that's where we see it. Now let's go to the delivery rules, and there is already a rule present for notifying on pending external manual inputs. So here, apart from emails, we just add the newly made channel of Teams notifications here. So we just enable that channel and just copy the settings from the email notification channel just to this new notification channel for Teams, right? Just we set the message type that we want. In this case, we want a card to be shown to the user, and we just add the text, which is a service request is waiting for you, etc. Again, taken from the email channel, and just we define very quickly the buttons that we want to show in this case, right, to the user. Done. That's all the setting takes. There's no need of any change in the playbook, any change anywhere else. That's a very a user-friendly way of creating a channel and assigning that to a notification. So let's go to the alert very quickly. So this is an alert coming from one of the security products where one of the user is tagged, right? So the user is let's say here Megan, and we say, okay, the analyst says we want to get justification from the user for this alert, right? Whether this is a legitimate alert or not. So the moment you trigger that workflow, Megan is sent this card, a nice looking card on Teams. Hey, a service request is waiting. You just review it. So Megan just clicks on the review link, and that opens this form with all the details about, of course, the alert, and what is the involvement, is this justified, and she replies with the reason, more details, and the workflow just takes care of the next steps that happen based on the inputs of the user very nicely. Right, so in the very quick demonstration, we saw how easy it was to just create a channel and just assign it to any of the rules that you need to. In this case, of course, it was based on the assigning that to an external manual input rule, but you could just use it for any other purpose also, right? I hope this demonstration helps. Thank you very much.